Hi, Sifu Paul Ng.
Hi, Catherine.
2024 is the year of the dragon. Could you tell us about the 2024 outlook for the people who were born in the year of the ox in the area of health?
Now, the ox people and the dragon actually have a conflict. The conflict is like colliding conflict. Because of that, so the ox people may be prone to small accidents, such as falling, hitting something. So obviously, first thing is drive carefully, don't rush on it, and watch your steps when you're walking. Okay, so otherwise, let's be careful about plenty of small illnesses. Okay, don't overwork yourself.
How about in the area of career?
Now, there's a talking sign with the ox people. Okay, so it's a double-edged sword. If you're not careful, you can easily run into arguments and debates and something. However, if you're a teacher, you're a speaker, you're a lawyer, so you're a politician maybe, but politicians too may be prone to arguments. So you'll be talking a lot, so talking business will be good for you. But partnership will not be encouraged because of the conflict with people.
And in the area of wealth?
You may gain bigger names rather than concrete money. So that means don't gamble, don't take chances, and don't expect too much. As long as money income is stable, you should be happy.
And lastly, in the area of marriage?
Now, there's a loneliness sign with you. So you probably need to focus more on your work or on your business rather than romances. Otherwise, you may end up arguing more.
Happy Chinese New Year.
恭喜發財。